Have you heard the myth that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis? Well, guess what? It's not true. Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't increase your risk of arthritis. In fact, one doctor even cracked the knuckles on one hand for 60 years and didn't develop arthritis. The cracking sound? That's just gas bubbles popping in the fluid of your joints. Collision. So, next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, you can tell them it's just a myth. Stay curious and keep those joints popping.